Smoke, up goes the nose, and we're going spinning. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I do hope he had something light for lunch. Well, Max, I think we've just established that Richard Goodwin knows a thing or two about G-forces.
On top of his game this afternoon. And what a contrast from the first display. Matter of interest, this aircraft was designed in 1944, been around an awfully long time, by Curtis Pitts, and he wanted to design an aerobatic aircraft for competition. So it's not an ex-military trainer, it was designed just for this purpose from the drawing board and is used in competition and display, as you can see this afternoon. Got the engine or aviation enthusiasts in the crowd, I'm sure we have. There is an extremely powerful engine driving this Curtis Pitts along, and 180 horsepower, plenty for an aircraft of that size and that configuration. 182 knots top speed, about 210 miles an hour. That's pretty quick. It'll cruise at about 150 knots, 175 miles an hour, and it'll take you about 300 miles. There's some facts for you.
And at the moment, it's going to take you just around and about, mostly straight down and straight up. Richard calls the airplane a muscle Pitts because as long as he's had it, he's been developing newer and newer engines for it, and believe it or not, he has a project to build from scratch another Pitts S2 biplane, but with a pair of jet engines strapped to it.
You are kidding me not.
I kid you not. Trust me, I'm a commentator.
Let's book him for next year then.
Now, I think it's a good moment to talk about G-forces. Gizmo in the F-16 actually has an anti-G-force suit on that helps him fly under these extreme loads. 1G is the force that keeps you on the ground in front of you now. If you experience more than 1G, it forces your head down into your chest, and as it gets more and more powerful, it forces the blood out of your head,